Hey Internet, so before I get into the numbers, I want to start with a setup because this is where I think the difference becomes clear. The idea here is simple. Claude is used inside trading systems, so the bot can handle trading decisions without me having to sit here and manage every step myself. And for me, that's the part worth testing. I've been working with crypto platforms and different trading systems for a few years, and usually the automation part sounds much easier than it actually is. You open documentation, then you need API, then some software to run the strategy, and at some point you're dealing with scripts or server settings. I don't really want that. If I'm testing automated trading system, I want to spend my time looking at trading activity, not trying to keep the software alive. So let's start here. I already have an account, so I'll sign in. Okay, this is the dashboard I see after logging in. Trading activity is here, the analytics were here, and I can also check position reports and my account information without opening another application. Let me look at the live panel. Alright, this gives me the current session. I can see when it started, how long it has been running, how many trades have been made, and current win rate. The way the system is set up, a new session starts roughly every hour. So here are 3 plans for the agent. The features change depending on the plan, and the details are listed underneath. I've been testing it for several weeks, and I'm using the first plan at the moment. So Wallet tab. This is useful because I can see my account history here instead of having to keep track of it somewhere else. Deposits, withdrawals, balance changes, and the amounts added after each session are all listed in the same place. Okay, let's go back and show how to start the system. I'm opening this tab. Here I choose plan and press get started. Then I select the token and network and I copy the deposit address to make transaction. Okay, now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Alright, it's confirmed, my balance has changed, and I can see the updated percentage for the trading sessions. Okay, so let me show you the withdrawal side as well. I'm opening the withdrawal section. Okay, this number is the amount currently available. The platform is showing the result from the last several days. I'll select the token and correct network, and paste my destination address. One moment. That's done. I'll press withdraw. And now the transaction is being processed. While that's going through, this is probably a good time to explain why I've been testing this setup in the first place. For me, the main advantage is that Claude is already part of the trading system. I'm not opening AI chat, asking it for an idea, and then coming back here to place a trade myself. It's integrated into the process the bot is running, and that removes quite a bit of work from my side. During these weeks, I haven't had to build a strategy from scratch or keep changing technical settings just to keep the system operating. I can check sessions, look through trades, and see what has been recorded from the dashboard. And that's much easier than the usual setup I've seen with automated trading tools. I don't have to install a separate trading application, write code, connect a bunch of different services, or keep a server running just to test the system. I basically have the account, the bot, the dashboard, and the trading process is handled from there. Of course, that doesn't mean the system is guaranteed to produce the same results for everyone. I'm only talking about what I've seen while testing it on my own account. So far, it has continued running without me having to constantly step in, and I can check the activity whenever I want. So if you've got questions about something I didn't cover, leave them in comments. I'm still testing the platform, so I'll keep checking the results and share anything that's actually worth showing. I'll put the platform link in the description and pin it in comments. There are enough fake crypto sites and cloned projects out there that I wouldn't rely on a link from a random post or message. Check the address, make sure it's the right platform, and then continue. So that's where my testing stands right now.